All right, Bay Area buyers, first-time buyers, or even growing families. This is what real lifestyle upgrade looks like. Sendero at Folsom Ranch offers new construction, smart home layouts, and incentives that make home ownership attainable. Stay tuned as we take a tour through this magnificent new home built community here in Folsom, California. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Hubert Caston here, local real estate advisor, but most importantly, I'm a really proud girl dad. In this video, we're going over Sendero at Folsom Ranch, which is Folsom's newest home built community on the south side of 50. If you're not familiar with the south side of 50, the south side of 50 in Folsom is an ever-growing community. You've got new homes popping up left and right. You got new communities built. You got an active living community in the Regency. And you've got amazing brand new schools located here in town on the south side of 50. And not only that, but in 2027, 2028, they're building a grand retail shopping center that's going to incorporate a new Safeway with a gas station and other businesses that make living on the south side of 50 more convenient. Now let's talk about Sendero. I really love what they did with this community. Really love what Tri Pointe did to deliver these amazing homes for first-time home buyers, Bay Area relocators, or most importantly, starter homes for growing families. These homes have smart layouts. They have amazing amenities, amazing upgrades that you could do to each one of these units that you decide to potentially purchase, which makes living here that much more amazing. One feature that I love about each one of these units is that Tri Pointe did an amazing job at making sure each unit delivers an incredible amount of natural light, which is very important to me. So the light here in these condos slash townhomes are absolutely phenomenal. So the way Sendero is structured is, I like to call it pod base. So each pod, each unit structure has 3 different units. You have plan 1, which is the unit split in the middle, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's located on the top floor. So the convenience about the 3-2 is that the 3-2 is the only unit within that one pod where you could pull into the garage and have instant access from the house, from the garage. The outside properties, plan 2 and plan 3, are 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You do have to enter your house going outside the garage and into the back side of the house, or you can walk around and go through the front. But all garages are extremely big. They've got 2-car garages. They're absolutely incredible. The difference between plan 2 and plan 3, plan 2 is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, around 1,700 square feet. Plan 3 is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, around 1,800 square feet. But the difference between the two is that plan 3 has a loft area on the 2nd story, just making the home feel a little bit more spacious. These homes are built incredibly. They did everything that they could just to really deliver those amenities that home buyers are absolutely going to love. They delivered on the energy efficiency, the appliances, and the upgrades that you're able to get through Sendero with these homes make these homes absolutely amazing. So in this series that you're going to see, I'm going to walk you through plan 1, plan 2, and plan 3 so that you can see the lay of the land between these 3 different property types. So at Sendero, one of the cool things is that they're offering amazing incentives. Right now, you could get 6% back towards your closing costs or your interest rates buy down, saving you thousands per year. You get your interest rate bought down with that 6% that Sendero is giving back, or that Tri Pointe's giving back. Your interest rate could be within the 4% range or the low 5% range, which is absolutely incredible, saving you tons of money. What I suggest, if you want to come on down and you want to take a walk of these homes, definitely reach out to me. I could set you up here at Sendero so that you can go on a tour with the amazing Terry who works this site. He's absolutely incredible, will take care of you. But the Sendero community here, brought to you by Tri Pointe Homes, is something that you should not sleep on one bit. Once again, these homes are perfect for Bay Area relocators, first-time home buyers, or the buyers with growing families looking to get into that perfect starter home. Another thing that I really love and appreciate about what Tri Pointe is doing here is that, let's say you come here and you get pre-qualified, and let's just say if you're off by a couple points or multiple points in your credit, Tri Pointe offers free credit repair services to help buyers boost up their credit to get them in the homes today. I haven't seen a new build community who offers this level of service in order to help buying a home more obtainable for buyers. So if you're someone and you think that your credit's on the fence, I always tell people the best thing that you can do is start today and just start the journey. Even if you're close to becoming a homeowner, it's best to know how close you are, how far you are, because believe it or not, you don't realize how actually easy it is to repair the credit, to get that rate up in order to get you qualified. And you don't know what you don't know. So start somewhere. And if you're looking for that perfect starter home in this Folsom, El Dorado Hills area, then Sendero is definitely a spot that you need to come to. Reach out today. Would love to set you up with a tour. Would love to even walk these things with you. This is a perfect opportunity to get to know Folsom, get to know the surrounding areas. And where Sendero is based at, you've got amazing walking trails. You've got amazing parks in the area. And if you're familiar with the area, it backs right up to Grant Line Road. So if you're somebody who needs to get to Highway 99, if you need to get out to the Lodi, Stockton area, hitting Grant Line is a perfect outlet just to shoot you straight on down the road to connect to those highways. It's also easy access to Highway 50 because you're right directly off the 50. I love the south side of 50 and what they're doing on the south side, because if you live on the north side of town and you try getting off East Bidwell in the afternoon, evening times, you understand that the traffic is absolutely horrendous. If you live on the south side of 50, you tend to be able to get off the highway a lot faster. So if you're looking to move into town, if you're a Bay Area relocator, if you're a first-time home buyer, if you're a growing family looking for this starter home, this is for you. If you're somebody that's looking for the homes with the massive backyards, this isn't a community for you at all. But if you're someone that's looking for just something with amazing layout, smart amenities, and a builder that's offering amazing incentives to get you in, then definitely Sendero is where you have to check out today. You guys, like, subscribe to this channel, follow your boy. Videos coming soon are going to be tours of Plan 1, Plan 2, and Plan 3, so you can see what the Sendero community is all about. As always, I hope you guys are extremely well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.